everyone, Kate from Crocoblock is here. Today I'd like to show you guys the way out of chaos of the enormous amount of orders, bookings, and forms. Here and now, with JetEngine Plugin and Zapier, there is no need in processing, arranging, and answering to all of these. After going through these 4 simple steps, you'll forget about copy-pasting tons of client data and will have some spare time for chilling. So let's jump right into it. We'll be working with JetEngine Forms and Zapier to build our workflow. So let's open and log into Zapier website. Click on Make a Zap button to start connecting apps between each other. Choose Webhooks by Zapier app and Catch Hook as the trigger event. Press Continue. Now copy created webhook URL and proceed to the WordPress dashboard. JetEngine, Forms, and edit your active form. Scroll down to Notification Settings. Click on Add Notification and choose Call a Webhook Type. After that, paste in the webhook URL, apply changes, and update your form. Let's try to submit a form on the front end to check if the webhook, the actual link between JetEngine and Zapier service, works properly. Okay, so the form has been submitted. Now we can go back to Zapier and test the connection. Great, works fine. Don't worry, it just automatically moved us to the next step. Here we can customize the outbound email that will be sent to the client once he clicks on Submit button. So let's search for Email by Zapier app. As you can see, Send Outbound Email is the only action event available. So let's press Continue to proceed to the customization window. Now we can create the email template that will be used further on. Fill in the required fields with suitable text and values. Don't forget that you can add client data from the form by inserting additional macros. You can either skip the optional fields or fill them in with appropriate info. Then click Continue. Press Test and Continue button to send a test email to check the connection between Zapier and the mailing service. So let's check our inbox. As you can see, the test email was received, so we can proceed to the next steps. Right now, we have to click on the plus icon and search for Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event, and it will transfer data from the form your client submitted into the Google Sheets. So your client database is automatically updated with the new info and you don't have to process it manually. Click Continue and sign into your Google account. After that, allow Zapier to have access to it and choose the Google Drive where your spreadsheet resides. Then select Spreadsheet and the worksheet. As you can see, all other fields are optional, but it's better to adjust them with required info. Simply click on Catch Hook and choose the appropriate macros for a certain column. Once done customizing, press Continue and send test data to Google Sheets app by pressing Test and Continue button. Great, looks like it has been imported. Right now we can proceed to the last but not the least function, Mailchimp Synchronization. It will automatically add the contacts of your clients to Mailchimp audiences. So in the future, you can send out newsletters, invitations, reminders, and all sorts of marketing emails to your subscribers. So let's click on the plus icon and search for Mailchimp app. Choose the option Add Update Subscriber as the action event and click Continue. Now we need to connect our Zapier account to the Mailchimp one. So log in and press Continue to proceed to the customization window. Here, similar to the previous steps, you can decide what info to transfer to your Mailchimp audiences. Fill in the fields with corresponding macros using Catch Hook option and click Continue. Now press Test and Continue button one more time to send the test subscriber to the Mailchimp. And as you can see, the new subscriber has been successfully added to my FuelCon audience. So guys, that's pretty much it. These 4 simple steps will help you to save your time greatly. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to ask questions if you have some, and join our friendly Facebook community. Cheers guys!